Hello, my name is Melanie and I'm from the Cap Region Women's Conference, and today we are talking to Shay Wheat from standupandlead.com. And so Shay, tell us about yourself and tell us about what you do.
Well, thank you. I'm excited to be here with you today. A little bit about me. Well, I started Stand Up and Lead a couple of years ago, and it was an opportunity for me to do something to get out of my own negative mind chatter, so to speak. And what it is simple sticky notes that are motivational, inspirational, thought-provoking, action-oriented notes that I put up in random places all over town, whether it's at the gym or it's, on an airplane or it's in, a bathroom stall at a restaurant.
That's so
I've left
cool.
them on people's cars. They're sticky notes because I don't want to, vandalize anything, but I do want to make an impact. And, I essentially started it for selfish reasons because a couple of years ago, I was in a space where I had so much negative mind chatter that I, was feeling depressed and down and wouldn't leave my house, and I couldn't find a way to get out of it. And it was just kind of like something just got dropped into my head, and I just started writing these sticky notes and spreading love and having my intentions go out into the world essentially helped me get out of my down spot, my spiral that it was just kind of heading downward, and I didn't want to do that anymore. So that's kind of how it started.
That's exciting. So do you have any advice for anybody that might be in that sad place right now?
Well, what worked for me was going out and being of service, getting out of my own way and assisting other people. So things like volunteering. I would go and be a volunteer for, things like the women's conference. Go be a volunteer there. Go volunteer at an animal shelter. Go volunteer anywhere. Would bring you out of that kind of poor is me, woe is me type of mentality. Feel free to even go to standupandlead.com. I've got some examples of your own sticky notes that you can write and go put them out in the world. Take a picture of them, email them to me, and I will post them on the website as well and give you kudos and credit, and we can have, the discussion and the dialogue back and forth as well. It's, it's anonymous, those notes are, so you can be of service, be of sacrifice, be giving, and not have to put your name on it, but just have the feeling inside and knowing that you are brightening somebody else's day that might be in a downward spiral themselves, and actually seeing that note from you would probably be the one thing that turns their life around. You never know.
That's so exciting. I love that. All the different things we can do that money can't buy and all the different ways that we can serve that really fill us up.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Shay. Thanks for telling us about standupandlead.com, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. Bye, guys.
Okay. Bye.